Getting scolded by mom isn't so bad when you have a little sibling by your side. Well, buddy, now you finally have someone who's always free to play with you. This friendship is stronger than my will to go to work on Monday. When your 9 lives give you 9 different careers, and one of them is baby masseuse. When you realize resistance is futile, so you just let the tiny human win be. This babysitter seems tired but refuses to quit her job halfway very professional.